Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Kathleen's equipment from Illinois up around Chicago. And this is the initial checkout of this telephone. Now there's a note with it. She's talking about how basically it may or may not work sometimes, and for the most part it doesn't work. And so we want to go ahead and troubleshoot this unit, and we're going to show you this telephone. It's in very good condition for its age. I believe she's had this telephone for a long time. And we have our hook switch hanger here, of course. We have our cover loose. We want to remove that and show you the inside. Now we want to go through everything while the unit is in the shop. We want to check the bell circuit, the keypad, the network, and the hook switch. And we did a little troubleshooting on this unit, and we noticed that there is probably some issues with the hook switch. But there is one other issue. There is no polarity protect circuit in this telephone. So we want to install a polarity protect circuit at our network, and we're going to go ahead and install that. We want to troubleshoot a little further into this unit, and we'll get a start on that. And we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, all of our modular ports for our handset, our line cord, and the handset modular port at the base, they've all been cleaned. And we've also re-crimped each modular plug on each end of the handset and here at the line cord and at the end of the line cord. We've taken our hook switch out. Earlier in the video we mentioned that we had troubleshooted a little bit, and I was getting some readings I didn't like. And I don't know if the video can pick it up, but right in this area, the hook switch, that's all been taken apart. Here we have some parts to the hook switch. When we took that apart, we found a little bit of charring that's going on our contacts. And so we have a bunch of contacts here, and they move back and forth when the hook switch goes up and down, the plunger. And so we want to clean all of our contacts here on the inside of the hook switch. So we do have a little bit of charring going on, and that could be because of a power surge. It could be because maybe there was a bad connection at some point and it was giving voltage and taking it away, and like a loose connection would do. And there is voltage on the telephone line, and it is enough to arc a little bit. So we do have a little bit of charring going on here. I don't know that the video is picking that up, but it has darkened up our contacts. So we want to make sure that that's all cleaned and adjusted, and then we'll put the hook switch back together again. We want to go through our network. We want to make sure all of our connections are tight and everything is okay with the network, and there's no wire that has come loose from its spade connector or that they're broke. We also want to go through our keypad while the unit is in the shop. We want to make sure that that's working properly, and the bell and bell circuit. Then when we take care of all of that work, we want to install our polarity protect circuit. So no matter where Kathleen plugs this telephone in, it will always work properly. So we're going to take a short break, finish this work up. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on because we want to do a few checks before we put the unit back together again. And so both of the modular ports for the handset and the line cord have been cleaned. They've been gone through. We also re-crimped and cleaned the modular plugs on the handset cord and at the line cord. We went through the bell circuit. We also went through the hook switch. That was repaired. We went through the network, made sure that all of our connections were proper and that they were tight. We went through the keypad, and we also installed our Polarity Protect circuit, and we located that back by the network. Now, we also want to point out our amplified pickup. Now, we use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video, and I can push the button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. So first, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and hang the hook switch up. We're going to plug our line cord in, and then we want to send a ring cycle to the unit. So we'll start a ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Good evening. Today is Tuesday, June 14th. The time is 6:42. Current temperature 91 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Hot and humid today, partly sunny, showers and thunderstorms likely, highs in the lower 90s, heat index readings of around 100. Partly cloudy this evening, showers and thunderstorms likely, lows in the mid-70s. Hot and humid on Wednesday, partly cloudy, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs in the mid-90s.
Hang up. We can go ahead and call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call. We can go ahead and unplug our unit. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Kathleen and she can enjoy this telephone once again. Like I said earlier, I believe she's had this telephone for a long time. These are highly collectible, very sought after, and they're a really good telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.